Hey everybody, Creation Chemist here. I'm here with the dust collector DC1100RC. This is the dust collector I've been using for about 15 years. I had this 3 micron filter for the top portion. So what it'll do is pull up the dust, shoot it up along here. Big particles are going to go down into this bag. And then this filter is here, so as the particles float up, they go out and are captured by the pleats in the filter. Then what you're supposed to do is turn this around, and there's a flap on the inside after you're running. Those small particles fall down into the dust collection system down here. Now what ends up happening is a lot of those dust particles come up and then clog this filtration system. Like I said, I've had this for about 15 years. Not a bad run for a system, right? Well, it's the only thing that I've ever used. What I was doing was sanding a piece of wood on my drum sander. I had this dust collection system going, and then the dust collector was shutting itself down. A very frustrating thing when you're trying to get work done. I theorize that the pleats in this filter are so clogged up that the air can't get out anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top off here on the outside and see if this motor just keeps on going. Well, it's always fun to learn about this stuff together. So I found out when I had the top off of this, this motor ran like a champ. So there's a safety feature within the motor which is detecting amperage, and as amperage is going up and meeting a certain limit, the motor was shutting itself off. Now that I know that, I'm going to change this filter. I'm going to go with the 5 micron bag, and I'll just see how it works. Can't really tell you up front now, but always wanted to try it. I think what's going to happen is, since it's 5 micron filter, there's actually going to be bigger pore size. More air will be able to get out of the top part of the filter bag, and it'll actually make the dust collection and the motor run even more efficiently. Hey everybody, I'd call that a successful test. What I did was swap the 3 micron filter with the 5 micron filter. Everything is set. I ran this, did a test by just running it continuously for about an hour just to see if it would shut down. It did not. Then I checked the flow again, and flow is very good. So this is going to be a good system for filtering whatever I'm working on. Anyway, I think this is going to work really well. I'm back in business, back in being able to build again. Probably the ideal situation is if you had the dust collection system in another room and an air purification system out there. But this is just a garage setup. It's good enough for me right now, so I'm going with it. Any other comments you would like to express about the dust collection system, just put them in the comments section below. Thanks a lot. Remember to create in the creation and always honor the Creator. Have a great day. Till next time.